Guys, so the train is moving down in town right now for a Santa Express ride. Here it comes. And all of the rides today for the Santa Express rides said sold out. I think they have more coming up next weekend. Steam Into History, sponsor me if you're watching down below. Because this is my third video of you guys. Well, of me filming. Well, this is my second time filming the steam engine. And I filmed the diesel once. Doesn't all that steam look cool at night? Somebody actually got hit like a couple months ago by the diesel down in town. He was drunk and decided to try and jump onto the diesel. The flagger is down there with that flashing light thing. One day, well, actually, yeah, well, I hope one day to get both the steam engine and the diesel, like, down in town or somewhere on the rail trail. You can see the steam. Huffing and puffing away. Not sure if you guys could hear the crossing signal. You can kind of see the light from it, but now you cannot. So they had rides at 11:30, 1, 2:30, 4, and 5:30, and this one that just went by was the 5:30. But anyway, one day, well, like when I'm old enough, I'll be like down in town catching shots of the train. Well, both the diesel and the steam engine. And yeah, and one day when me and my brother are both old enough, yeah, we will be doing all sorts of fun stuff, because the more older, the more fun of videos we can make, which is an amazing thing. Yeah. trying to think of something to say. Ooh. Also, just random spots on the rail trail. When I'm older, and me and Josh are older, we will also be able to just catch it just on the rail trail. And just do some train chases, like, like when we can drive and stuff. But anyway, peace out.